G'day, g'day, and welcome to TotalScumbagRC. So, my dad gave me $200 for my birthday, and MAS Hobbies, one of my local hobby shops, was selling the 118 Capra for $250. So, I did the maths and it didn't quite work out, but made it happen, and it's bloody great. Had a little bit of trouble finding the on-off switch, which is just behind the driver's seat, if you're looking for it. And I made a little book course on the box. Check it out here. Fox 118th Capra. And then we take it outside. Check it out. That's enough messing around with books. So if you want to pick one of these up at MAS Hobbies, there's a few left in stock there. So cheap, 40% off. This video's not sponsored by them or anything. I just appreciate it. But yeah, let's look at this. We're going outside and then we're going to play on some rocks. Cheers for watching. This is too easy, mate. Give me some rocks. Alright, Capra. Let's see what you got. Yeah, it's got quite a lot. The Capra's bloody cool. Straight up, it's 1/10 scale obstacles, really. Just on those little 1.55-inch rims. Loving the little Capra, very happy with it. little beast did good on the rocks. Can't wait, probably might take it out with another one on Sunday with my mates. 2 little 1/18s. Give them a little crawl. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching TotalScumbagRC.
Alright.
We're just going to go to the car park for a little rip and then we're done. Have a good one. I'll freaking see you later.